Hey there. So, picture this. Everything around us, yes, everything, falls into three main camps: solid, liquid, and gas. Cool, right? Okay, solids are like your reliable friends. They stay put, keeping their shape and volume no matter what. They're the ones you can count on to not change on you. Liquids, though, they're a bit more flexible. They keep their volume, but will change shape to fit whatever container they're in. Imagine water in a glass. Just goes with the flow. And gases, oh boy, they're the wild ones. They'll expand, filling up any space they're given. They don't keep a shape or a strict volume. Think of when you inflate a balloon. All of this magic, solid, liquid, gas, boils down to how the particles inside them move around. More energy equals more movement. That's the key. So next time you see ice melting or water boiling, remember, it's all about those energetic little particles dancing around. Solid, liquid, gas. It's a fascinating world.